Hey, good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning, and you are seeing this, and we don't normally post Tuesday morning videos. You saw one yesterday, you'll see one tomorrow, but this is kind of an impromptu Tuesday video. We've got some big announcements, so take it away.
All right, announcement number one. We will be at the Las Vegas Woodcraft on the...
I didn't write it down. 13th, 14th, and 15th
13th,
of May.
14th, and 15th. Yeah,
Yes.
they're having it's the grand opening. It's a big event. There's going to be a bunch of vendors there. Craig's going to be there.
Festool,
not Sabertooth,
Cutsall.
So they're going to have a lot of vendors there. It's going to be a 3-day, extravaganza, if you will. It's going to be a lot of fun,
Yeah.
and we'll be there all 3 days.
Yeah, pretty much from the time they open till close. So we'll be there 6-8 hours every day.
And they're going to have a ton of sales, sorry.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff on sale. Big time sales. We are going to have some product there, but we're also doing some giveaways. We're going to be giving away one of these signs each of the 3 days. So we're going to have three...
Fat fingers. There we go.
Three giveaways, and also a free gift for everybody. So when you show up, all you got to show up, we're going to have a free gift for you, a little package, and then we'll be doing drawings for these. We'll be giving these away. So if you are in and about the Vegas area on May 13, 14, 15, you got to come by Woodcraft, hang out with us, and we'll be doing some demos and, I don't know.
Talking and carving. And
general kind of shop talk.
Yeah. And hopefully eating.
Yeah, hopefully there'll be food there.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we wouldn't be going.
Yeah.
Anyway, so that's that. Next is we've been having a few little issues with the website. But by the time you see this, they're probably all worked out. But we got our IT guy working on that. And that has to be done by this coming Friday because we have a huge sale going on, a flash sale. All of our products are on sale with the exceptions of...
the router bits and the beginner kits.
Right. So, and if you guys don't know, the reason those aren't on sale is because we barely make anything on the router bits. So the beginner kits, the router bits, not on sale. Everything else, pretty much everything else is on sale.
Yeah. So 25% off.
25% off.
Everything.
Yeah.
Website or store wide.
Yeah, and we probably won't have another sale until November, till Black Friday. So hopefully you guys can take advantage of that. This would be a great time to do that. Kind of a Mother's Day sale, actually.
Yeah.
So that is that. Gosh, there was something else in regards to the sale that I wanted to say, but can't think of what it is right now.
Me neither.
Yeah. So that's... Oh, yeah. When is the sale? Friday. Friday after the live, around 8 p.m. Arizona time through Sunday evening. So it's going to run the 3 days. So anyway, if the website isn't working for you, then just call Vicky and order over the phone. Not in the middle of the night, please. Well, she won't answer anyway. But it'll just hit the recorder. So the next thing is our Amazon store. I've getting a couple little comments on their Amazon store. Amazon store, it's still up running. We've got 169 items in there, but it's a little bit different than what it used to be. When you get to our Amazon store, it's going to look something like this. But it used to just list all of our products on there. Now you have to click on either on that picture of the router or on that little influencer thing underneath. Once you click on that, then all the items will come up. But if you've been trying to go to the Amazon store and it looks weird, it is. They've kind of changed it a little bit. They put our... they just changed the design a little bit. So just click on that picture of the router and all the products will come up. Next we're going to show... we're going to talk about tonight. You guys got to tune in to 731 Woodworks tonight. We are actually guests on their live stream. We made them a sign. Came out amazing. When you guys go onto their live stream tonight, that's Tuesday night, whatever the date is. I don't know. Tuesday night, the 3rd?
3rd. Yeah, I think it's the 3rd.
The 3rd, May 3rd. You guys got to go on there, 7 p.m. I believe it's 7 p.m.
Arkansas time.
Central time. I think Central time. Go check them out, whatever their normal live stream is. And you guys probably already know who they are. Matt Outlaw over there just does amazing stuff. Super cool dude. Anyway, we made a sign for him. You guys, if you go on, we're going to be their guests for about 30 minutes tonight on their live stream, talking about the business, talking about the sign we made, and bragging on you guys. So definitely go check us out tonight. We're super excited. I mean, I'm fired up.
That's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's going to be really cool. Yeah. I'm looking forward to that.
Matt is such a great dude. And so we're honored that he asked us to come on his live stream, he and his wife. So anyway, check us out tonight over on 731 Woodworks. So I think that's it for now. Again, kind of sorry for the impromptu, but we wanted to get this information out to you guys. Any questions, please email eric@makeawithsign.com or
Ryan with Dave Signs at gmail.com. And that's one S, Dave Signs.
Yeah, one S in between. And if you need any supplies, there's the website, or are you going to put a card in here?
Up there. Yeah, I'll put one up there.
Okay, that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. This is just a real quick one. Let us know, and hopefully we'll see you in Vegas, or we'll see you tonight on the live stream. Would love to see a bunch of you guys tune in for that and see what Matt and everybody is doing tonight. So you're going to want to see this sign, by the way. This will be your first shot at looking at this sign for probably at least a couple weeks, because the content that we filmed probably won't be posting for a couple weeks. Anyway, guys, thanks again. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.